Hello, everyone. This is Lelia from Rinpac. Are you still worrying about how to make your product stand out from the crowd? Plastic blister packaging is a versatile and cost-effective solution for showcasing and protecting your products. It consists of a clear plastic blister that is sealed onto a card, creating a secure and visually appealing package. This packaging method is perfect for a wide range of industries, including electronics, toys, cosmetics, and even pharmaceuticals. The transparent nature of the blister allows customers to see the product inside, enticing them with a preview of what they can expect. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your product presentation and enhance customer experience with plastic blister packaging. Place an inquiry with us today and let us help you create packaging that stands out from the crowd. We'll be right here waiting for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.